Hi, welcome to Pranito. Myself Kumaresan, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Still now we discussed about the vector calculus. In the vector calculus there are two types. One is a vector integral and vector differentiation. The last class we seen the vector differentiation, that is gradient, divergence and curl. So in this video we are going to discuss about the various problem in the gradient, divergence and curl. Okay, first we are going to see the gradient problem. Okay, our first problem related to the gradient, that is find the gradient of following vector field. Given three field, first one is a Cartesian field, second one is a cylindrical field, third one is a spherical field. Okay, so we are going to solve one by one. Okay, so first problem, that is scalar v is equal to 4x z square plus 3y z. Okay, the scalar is a function of x, y and z. So it is a Cartesian coordinates. So gradient in Cartesian coordinate system, the gradient in Cartesian coordinate system, that is del v scalar is equal to, just multiply the v in the each term, del v dou by dou x a cap x plus dou v by dou y ay cap plus dou v by dou z az cap. Okay, now substitute the v value, in this formula. So this is the v value, so substitute the value and then take differentiation. So first substitute del v is equal to, so substitute the v value, dou divided by dou x into 4x square plus 4x z square 3y z a cap x plus dou y dou divided by dou y 4x z square plus 3y z ay cap plus dou divided by dou z 4x z square plus 3y z az cap. Okay, now we substitute the v value in this formula. So now differentiate this term with respect to x. This term has value of x. If you differentiate the x, it become 1. So 4z square, there in this term there is no x, so 0. So remaining, so just multiply remaining value a cap x plus, next the differentiate this term with respect to y. So if you differentiate with respect to y, this term becomes 0, this term y become 1, then 3z ay cap plus, again third term, differentiate this term with respect to z, but differentiate this term, it become 8x z. Okay, 8x z and then difference this term 3y and then a z cap. Okay, it is the answer for the first question. Okay, then second problem is, that is v is equal to 2r 1 plus z square cos pi. Okay, scalar is function of r, z and pi. So it is a cylindrical coordinate system. Gradient in a cylindrical coordinate system, gradient in cylindrical coordinate system, del v is equal to dou v divided by dou r plus, ar cap plus dou v divided by 1 by r dou by a pi cap plus dou v divided by dou z az cap. Okay, this is the formula of gradient in cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, now substitute v value in this formula. The gradient of scalar is equal to dou divided by 2r. Substitute the v value. 2r 1 plus z square cos pi r cap. Okay, plus next term 1 by r. Okay, dou divided by 2 pi and the v value 2r 1 plus z square cos pi. Okay, and then it's a pi cap. And the third term dou divided by 2z and 2r 1 plus z square cos pi az cap. Okay, now the differentiate this term with respect to r. Okay, so now differentiate this term with respect to r. So r become 1. So now 2 into 1 plus z square cos pi ar cap plus, and then differentiate this term with respect to pi. Okay, 1 by r 2r 1 plus z square into, if differentiate cos pi with respect to pi, it become minus sin pi. Okay, so now this place, so minus sin pi. Okay, now r cancel. This is a pi cap plus, now differentiate this term with respect to z. 4 r z cos pi a z cap. Okay, now the final result is 2 1 plus z square cos pi ar cap minus, so r get cancel, remaining 2 into 1 plus z square into sin pi a pi cap plus 4 r z cos pi a z cap. This is the final gradient value of this function. And third problem is v is equal to rho square cos theta and cos pi. Here the scalar is function of rho, theta and pi. This is a spherical coordinate system. The gradient in spherical coordinate system. So gradient in spherical coordinate system, del into v is equal to dou v divided by dou rho a rho cap plus 1 by rho dou v divided by dou theta a theta cap plus 1 by rho sin theta dou v divided by dou pi a pi cap. Okay, this is a formula of the gradient in spherical coordinate system. So now substitute the v value. Okay, this is a v value, substitute this value in this formula. The gradient in the gradient of scalar is equal to dou divided by dou rho. The v value is rho square cos theta cos pi into a rho cap plus 1 by rho dou divided by dou theta, and then v values rho square cos theta into cos pi plus 1 by rho sin theta and third term, and then rho divided by rho pi, and then v value is, so here one term missing, that is a theta cap. Okay, and then here rho square sin theta, sorry, rho square cos theta cos pi, and then a pi cap. Okay, now we substitute the value of v in this formula. So now differentiate each term. Differentiate this term with respect to rho. It become 2 rho cos theta cos phi and then a rho cap plus differentiate this term with respect to theta 1 by rho. If differentiate cos theta with respect to theta, it become minus sin theta. So into rho square minus sin theta into cos phi. So into a theta cap. Okay, plus 1 by rho sin theta. 1 by rho sin theta. If differentiate this term with respect to phi, become rho square cos theta minus sin theta into minus cos phi, so into a phi cap. Okay, the final gradient value is 2 rho cos theta cos phi a rho cap plus this rho get cancelled and the remaining 1 rho get cancelled, remaining 1 rho and then it's a minus, so minus rho sin theta cos phi a theta cap. Okay, again here rho get cancelled and the remaining 1 rho and then this sign is a sin minus, so here the cos theta, here sin theta, so cos theta divided by sin theta value is cot theta, so rho cot theta sin phi a phi cap. Okay, this is the gradient value of this function. Now we obtained the gradient of the following function. The next problem is find the diversion of the field. The field is given at the point. Okay, the given one point. Okay, now going to solve the problem. The field, it is f vector is equal to 2xy ax cap plus z ay cap plus yz az cap. This is a field. Okay, so what is the question? Find the diversion of the field. So we have to find the divergence. Okay, so divergence of f vector is equal to, that is del dot f vector dou f of x divided by dou x ax cap plus dou fy divided by dou y ay cap plus dou fz divided by dou z az cap. Okay, this is a formula for divergence of the vector. Substitute the value of the f vector. In previous problem, in gradient, if you taken whole function as a f vector, so here is a f of x vector, you take only x direction magnitude. Okay, this x direction magnitude is 2xy. Okay, no need to substitute the whole term. Okay, so substitute the value del dot f vector is equal to rho divided by dou x f of fx. That means the magnitude value of x direction. It is a magnitude value of x direction. It is a unit vector of x direction. This is the magnitude value of x direction. So substitute the value 2xy ax cap plus d dou divided by dou y, and then similarly fy, that is magnitude value of y direction. So magnitude value of y direction is z, and then ay cap plus again dou divided by dou z and then fz. That means magnitude value of z direction, yz az cap. Okay, now differentiate this function with respect to x. That is, if differentiate the function with respect to x, the x become 1. So now 2y ax cap plus, now differentiate this function there is no y value here, so value becomes 0 plus this term, differentiate this term with respect to z direction. Now z value become 1, so y into a z cap. Okay, this is a del dot f vector. That is now the del dot f vector is equal to 2y a x cap plus y a z cap, y a z cap. Okay, this is the divergence of this field. Okay, the value is that function is a divergence of this field, but actually we are going to find the value of divergence at the point. So the point is given, the point is 2 minus 1 and 3. Okay, this is the value of x and y and z. So now substitute the value, divergence of, substitute the value 2 minus 1 and 3, the value become, you substitute the value here 2 minus 1 plus and then y value minus 1, finally the result is minus 3. Okay, this is a divergent function of the field, this is the value of diversion of the field. Okay, the third problem is the electric field at point B expressed in a cylindrical coordinate system is given by, so the electric field value is given. To find the value of divergence of the field if the location of the point P is equal to given by 1, 2, 3 and meters in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, this is a given problem. So we need to find the divergence of the field. Okay, so this system is cylindrical coordinate system. So first we are going to find the divergence of this field. Okay, in cylindrical coordinate system, the divergence of cylindrical coordinate system is del dot E vector is equal to 1 by r dou by dou r into er into ar cap plus dou by dou pi and so 1 by r here 1 by r dou e pi divided by dou by a pi cap plus dou e z divided by dou z a z cap. Okay, this is a formula for divergence of cylindrical coordinate system. This is a formula for divergence of cylindrical coordinate system. So now substitute the value of E. Okay, so the first term say ER. So substitute the magnitude value of R direction. So now substitute the value del dot E vector 1 by R dou by dou R. Value of magnitude in the R direction is that's 16 r square sin pi. Okay, 16 r square sin pi. Okay, here one more r is there, so multiply with this function, it become r cube. Okay, so 16 r cube sin pi a r cap. Okay, plus 1 by r dou by dou pi. Now substitute magnitude value in pi direction. So magnitude value in a pi direction is this value 3 r square cos pi a pi cap dou by dou z. So z direction value, there is no z direction value in the given field, so this value become 0. Okay, now differentiate this function del dot E vector is equal to, first differentiate this function with respect to r, will become 1 by r 48 r square sin pi plus, if you differentiate this function, become 1 by r 3 r square, differentiate cos pi with respect to pi, it become minus sin pi. So this value minus. So now simplify, this r get cancelled, this r get cancelled, the remaining is the 48 sin pi minus 3 r sin pi. Okay, 48 sin pi minus 3 r sin pi. Now the final value is 45. So no, here one r is remaining, here one r is remaining. So 45 r sin pi. So this is the divergence of this field. Okay, but in this problem they are asking the value of divergence at this point. So here this system is in cylindrical coordinate system, but the point is given in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, this function also cylindrical coordinate system, but this point is given in Cartesian coordinate system. So I have to convert this point in cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, already we know the cylindrical coordinate system is function of r pi z. So the conversion of r is equal to root of x square plus y square, and same time the pi is equal to tan inverse of pi by x. Okay, z is equal to z. Now substitute x and y value here. Here 1 square plus 2 square, so the value is root 5. So now substitute this value, the tan inverse of, and y by x, y value is here 2 divided by 1, it become 63.43 degree. Okay, already you know the z value is here 3. Okay, z value is here 3. So r value is root 5 and pi value is 63.43 and z value is 3. Now substitute this cylindrical value in this the function. So 45, r value is here root 3, root 5 into sine, and pi value is 63.43 and final value is 90. 90 is the final value of this function. Okay.